Hi, welcome back to another video of our Flutter series, and in this video we are going to learn how to add some padding around our widgets. So right now you can see that our widgets are touching the edges of the screen, so this is not good. So let's add some padding around it. So all we have to do is that we can wrap this column widget inside a widget that is called padding. So what padding widget do is that it adds padding around the widget. So if I go ahead and click this, all I have to do is that I need to click here, and after that I need to click on control plus dot from the keyboard, and you can see that this menu appears, and from here I can choose wrap with padding. And what wrap with padding does is that it wraps our whole column widget with the padding widget, and inside the padding widget we are providing another property that is called padding, and padding is taking add insects dot all. So now add insects has different kind of constructors that I will explain you in a little bit, but you can see that but all constructor is taking one value, that is 8.0, and this 8.0 value, what it will do is that if I click on control plus save from my keyboard, then you will be able to see that on the right side that our now screen has some padding. So if I want to increase the padding size, then I can do that as well. So for example 16, and if I control save it again, then you can see that it increases the padding. So this is how we add the padding around the widgets. But let's look at some of the constructors that are available inside the add insects class. So there is all function that we are right now trying. So what all function does, that it adds padding around all the corners of the screen. Another variant that we have is the add insects from left top right bottom variant. What it does is that we can provide the left top right and bottom paddings individually. Other than that, we have the only variant, and this can be used to provide the paddings on each side individually. For example, if you want to provide padding only to the left side, then we can use this variant. And other than that, we have the symmetric variant. What symmetric variant does that we can provide the equal padding to horizontally or vertically. So these are all the variants that are available. So let's look into the symmetric variant, for example. So if I go ahead and choose the add insects dot symmetric variant, I can type in and say, let's suppose horizontal, and horizontal is basically, let's say if I want to provide horizontal padding to 20, then it will add 20 to left and right padding. So if I save it, now you can see that. And other than that, we can also provide the vertical variant, and what vertical variant will do is that it will provide the vertical padding. So if I go ahead and provide 60 here, so for example, now you can see that on top we have some 60 padding here. So this is how we provide padding to any widget. Just we need to wrap our widget with the padding widget, and inside the padding widget we need to provide the padding property, where we need to provide add insects dot symmetric or add insects dot all variant. So for now, let's remove this variant and choose the all variant, and let me provide 20 padding to this screen for now. Another thing that I would like to do here is that I would like to center line this widget so that it looks even better. So what we can do is that we can go ahead into the column widget, and inside the column widget we can provide the main axis alignment property, and inside the main axis alignment we can provide main axis alignment dot center value. And if I save it, now you can see that our login screen is looking even better because all the widgets are in the center. In the next video, we are going to learn how to add an image in our screen so that we can add some branding to it or customize it. So let's see in the next video. If you are new on this YouTube channel, then make sure to subscribe it and hit the bell icon, because I will be bringing more and more Flutter related videos on this channel.